put that down, you'll end up stabbing yourself with that knife.
You said mum.
Oh yeah, yeah, well yeah, you are my mum.
I know your mum.
Yeah.
I remember, put the knife away.
Just be careful with your fingers.
Christ, slip his bloody finger up. Can you get this stuff out? I'm just tipping up. Oh my god.
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Wish you'd
There's got to be an easy way, but I can't put it out. That's it, come on. Oh, completely. Say, must be a lot better than that other thing I had. I've never seen something takes so long to get out the box. Oh god, I think we're here. We made it! We made it! Are we out? Yeah! Oh god, yeah! Oh, let's hope it works properly. After all that, because I've not put it back in that box again. Oh, there we are, there's my new toy. I'll set it all up and I'll be ready for action.
What?
New toy!
Huh?
That's the new toy!
Oh right. Oh, well, you get it all set up and that.
That's it, it is set. It's ready for action.
Well, haven't you got to
That
put
one's got a hose on it as well.
haven't you got to put water in there?
No, you don't put water in it. I'm not ready for action yet. I'm not going to do it right this moment.
I thought you were doing a test of it.
Yeah.
See how it works.
Yeah, the test will come tomorrow. Or Wednesday when I have more time. These are all there. Oh, looks good because at the back of here, that's good because you can put everything on it where before you had all the separate ones and then you lose things. So this one you can actually, all your tools are ready to go. You haven't got to put them all different places. They're all in the right spot where they should go. And that way it can be put away without taking it all apart.
And what part's that? Is that your gun?
This is the handle of my gun. Yeah. That definitely feels a lot stronger than that other cheap one. Yeah, it's heavy. So once I get the instructions and see it, I think it will. Oh look, there's another extension here. See, the other one didn't have that. This has got extra extension. Let's see. Well, that should click in. That's it. I got it. I think. That's coming in. What? That's coming. What? It comes out too easy. I don't press it on, my hand comes off. Now, that's it. I've locked
So
it.
you just twist it.
Yeah. Push it in and just twist. Same with it. See
And
how
what's
this
that
is
part?
longer? This is the extra extension for the pressure. Remember that other one didn't have it? I was like,
yeah.
my back was breaking with it.
And how much was this one?
This one was 79.
That's 79. And you got
And
this
it's 150 bar. The other one was £50. A different make, a cheaper make. and it was only 100 bar, so it hardly done anything. It was you didn't get the extension.
Yeah, and where's this one from?
This one's from Aldi's, and the other one was from B&Q. Yeah, B&Q. So this is much better. Look how long that one is. So the other one was half the size, so my back was breaking. It's really heavy, this.
How tall would you say?
I'm 5'1".
And that's probably...
So the other one was that size, without the extension.
Yeah, so you'd say that's about, what, 2.5 foot?
Eh? I don't know. Get a tape measure.
Lean up, have you?
I've got a camera here to measure up.
Lean up against yourself. Is it half the size of you?
It's, yeah.
So you're 5 foot.
One.
Yeah. So half of that is 2.5 foot.
Don't ask questions like that.
Sorry,
So
I didn't want to get too technical.
Yeah. So once it's plugged in,
Yeah.
I'll be ready for action.
So you plug that in, and then where does your water
That
go?
goes in. The water, I ain't got a clue about that. The water, oh yeah, the water. Yeah, the water's from outside of the tap.
Yeah, obviously.
I'm looking for the water here. The water's outside of the tap.
What's this hose for then? Doesn't that attach
The hose,
to
the hose gets attached to the water.
to the
Before
water
I've got an
outside.
extension.
Yeah.
Remember before?
So that reel.
All this.
Yeah.
There's the thing that I used to see. That's what I've got. That goes in.
To.
Hang on now. There's where the water hose goes in.
Yeah. Isn't that?
This is the extension.
For what?
For. Let me think. Let me just think. This is what we had before. This is the extension. Now it's got to plug in somewhere. Where does it plug in?
Could it be the gun?
Huh? Oh yeah, the gun!
Yeah.
Oh yeah! That's where it plugs in. It plugs in the gun. Good thinking.
I think that's the other side. That's where you shoot the water. Are you sure you don't need a license for this?
Oh, come on now. Oh, here, where's it going? It goes here. Look, I found
Sure
a hole.
you don't need a
I
license?
found a hole.
Yeah.
I found the hole. Oh my god, you sure it goes in there? Oh yeah, it does go in there.
Yeah. I think.
It does go in there. Oh my god, I can't believe that that's what it's for. Right. So, I think...
You got the instructions.
Ah, this is a...
And then that will be to...
I need the instructions. That's the plug. That's to do like the car or something, or like if you want to scrub the path and stuff like that. This is if you want a special like liquid to go in, so you like soapy stuff.
Yeah.
You undo that and fill it up. Now the water thing, these are all your extensions here, so you can make it more powerful. Look at that. So that's even more longer. If I put that in, oh my god, that'll even be. How does that go in? For God's sake, hang on now. Is there a hole there? Oh, there must be. Oh no, that doesn't go in like that. Where does this go? Oh, I know. This comes off and then that goes in.
Ah, okay.
That's
so
if
that
you
might
want
be
it shorter.
for your pavements, tarmac, stuff like that if you want to clean
Or
it.
if you want just the top of something.
Yeah.
This is for a longer bit, for the short people.
Yeah.
This is if you're tall. So that one goes in there. And then your water thing to the connection, I still need that round thing because I've got it. That goes in there. And that's outside. You know,
So
the
you
round
fill that
thing.
in.
Put that in,
Put that
then
in.
that's your turner.
Yeah.
All right.
Bob your uncle, off you go.
Yeah,
So
but
you're
that's
gonna-
better because this keeps it all together. It's long. It's quite a long one.
So we'll give this a try and then come
Wednesday,
back.
yeah.
Come back with a
Do it
review and
Wednesday now.
let us know how you get on.
Yeah, I'm tired.
I bet.
It's hard work.